Well, it's a new start and a new week. Cool, Tom, isn't it? You see, everything's going to be expensive. Wow, that's pretty good. Now my hands is all black. I need to wash my hands. Okay, you can wash your hands. Okay, you need to wash your hands. I don't know if you need to wash my hands, of course. Get your butt to the bathroom! Ouch! Thanks a lot, Mark. Bye! You're welcome too, Tom. Okay, fine. I'm taking a shower. That tickles. That tickles. Oh my goodness, that was tickling fun. Right. I'm out of this bathroom. Great, Tom. I'm in the mark. That's great to hear. Quick, get to conservatory. Get to safety. Phew. With that explosion's kind of scary. You know what? It's another video adventure.